What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to change your Roblox username. To do so, you just have to open Roblox, that's roblox.com, and sign in to your account. Once you do, hit the settings icon in the top right corner here and click settings. The first page that opens is the account info page, and that's the page we need. Here you'll find your username, and on the side you'll find the icon to edit it. So it'll say change username when the mouse hovers over it. Click on it. And here is the trick. Make sure you have enough Robux in your account because changing your username costs 1000 Robux. So if you do have enough, that's okay. If you don't, it gives you the option to buy enough Robux so that you can change your username.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.